Hey, good afternoon, my dear friends. Welcome back to Exploring Wealth. I am coming after again a long time, just like the market doesn't treat anyone quite well. I have not been treating the social media also in a very friendly way because I've been traveling, I've been at work. Most of my time it's like my patient inflow has increased, so and the markets were dumb and boring, but I learned a lot of things from what the market has given in 2025. It was brutal. Some certain altcoins, for example, most of the altcoins right now are at the bottom of the RSIs, and they are about to flip. Everything is I feel, in my opinion, based on the charts, everything is going to turn like crazy fireworks for a short period of time, or else the what is more bullish as of now is this liquidity injection by stimulus checks or different ways of how the liquidity would be in the market, and the riskier assets they start pumping, because if as Trump is giving $2,000 stimulus check, so this stimulus check, a person would like to make a life-changing money. So what he would do, he would invest in some safer and riskier assets, which can give him or her some 100x, 2,000 turning into 200,000 to compete the inflation. However, I feel inflation should come down because of this US Venezuelan war as well. So yeah, it's a great day and I'm feeling great. And today, when you are investing any $2,000 or $1,000 from the stimulus check, where would I invest? Where we should invest in Bitcoin or gold, where you can get 2x maximum and still it's not life-changing money. So I would, in my opinion, for me, nothing is financial advice or health advice or any advice. I would invest in something riskier and safer, like Blockstreet, spoken by a lot of big influencers, big giants are into it. Virtual Bacon, Kyle Chase is the advisor or marketing area. Kyle Chase, big influencers. Andrew Tate has a huge bag into it. So it's a launch pad connected to LibertyFi with Trump. So this is going to be really, it's on 9 million market cap, around 10 million fully diluted is around 25 something around. It's mega cheap. When the TradFi, when the Wall Street, they find some launch pad which is connecting them to the blockchain world, which is regulatory compliant, which is trusted by really some really strong people in this world, and who have some really good money. So, and for this low market cap, it's like, I feel it's a gem. Neural AI is another one, which is like a BitTensor subnet. You stake it, you get Tau as the rewards. So you have Neural AI is like, it generates whole 3D worlds for gamers, for game people who don't know any coding, and based on your just write some commands or script, and it's also like 10x down, and it's a amazing coin. Everything you do your own research. So Neural AI goes by the ticker Neural. You can purchase it on Uniswap. Block, you can purchase it on Uniswap, on MetaMask decentralized wallet, which is an extension to the Chrome browser. So what I'm doing is, like, everything in the video and everything is very crude and real. I'm connecting with you people as a common man, which I am, where I'm working my ass off to be rich and successful in when it comes to cryptocurrency or any riskier assets. Make some really good chunk life-changing money where I don't have to work as a doctor anymore. So that is my goal of achieving from cryptocurrency, and become an entrepreneur, selecting a specific brand or something, because right now we are a brand. Exploring Wealth is a brand, and our channel will give you gems like this. There is one more, Repo, REPPO. It's an AI agent which gives data to predictions markets, and where data is the fuel. So this AI agent is class of its own. You have to go through deep into it. I understood the whole idea. I get all this information while I'm watching my patients in those break times, and I get this information. I unload or give this amazing information to you, health advice or something. Okay, today's health advice, something related with nitric oxide. So the health benefits of nitric oxide. So usually the proton pump inhibitors should be avoided, and nitric oxide production in many fruits, like anything red, watermelon. It boosts your it causes vasodilation, and that is really helpful for your health in multiple sectors. People with erectile dysfunction, they'll be really happy with that nitric oxide release, and things dealing with it for blood pressure, for regulation as well. And so that was about nitric oxide. Why I remembered nitric oxide? Because I saw someone having watermelon and so the altcoin number 3 was the number 1 was the Blockstreet, number 2 is Neural AI, and number 3 was Repo, REPPO. And most of the Alex Becker coins you can just buy because they are at 10x low as of now. And I think if you have to invest something to 1,000 to 2,000, you can invest in such riskier assets. You have if you further go up, you have EigenLayer, which goes by the ticker Eigen, EIGEN. And you have some really nice blockchains like Peak, which has these all have not performed. When they launched, they were overvalued, and the investors, early VCs, they got their chunk of profits, and that is why the meme coin sector also comes in play. So we have meme coin which we will be going to launch very soon. So work is on the way to have we all common people make life-changing money, do something good for us and for the community around. And it's just like we are doing the blockchain kind of thing in real life, and both on chain as well. So one step at a time. So anyways, it was fun to step into this 2026, a new era, where I personally believe late or early 2026 should be good for crypto by the end of December. Amazing for crypto. This is this thing where you'll feel like you'll even feel something like top lows as well, because ultimately market has to flip. There is bearish divergence on RSI on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is the mover. So as Bitcoin plummets, everything falls down. So before one leg now probably, and after that the Armageddon. But of course, based on the charts 2026 and liquidity cycle, I feel 2026 should be the year. So anyways, I hope you had a great time. Enjoy your time, enjoy your trading. Peace.